Whenever I'm in a bar's bathroom, I'm always like, this looks like shit, they should have done that.
But yeah, see, now you have me looking. I wasn't even trying to look, but that's all I see. Thanks a lot, Hugo.
Oh, when the homeowners like hover over us constantly, they're constantly coming in the room, and you got maybe demo everywhere or just like materials, and you know they're tripping on things, and you don't want them to get hurt.
I call them tapers and bed divas because it's a finishing trade. I feel like any finishing trade, there has to be a little OCD attached to it. That's why I can't go into spaces with drywall, because I know where the tape is, and if I can see the tape, I'm like, ah. Because you can see, like, you see all this flat here? So they probably use like probably a 4-inch knife, but like 3 inches worth of mud, and then they feather the ends. Okay, here is an example. This is a screw. It looks like a screw. This is plaster, not plaster. This is mud, compound. You won't really need a lot of paint. This is another example too. The only thing they're missing was feathering the edge. So then I would have, they probably use like a 4-inch, 3-inch.
I'm like, in my own house, I try not to think about it, but like when I'm out, restaurants, bars, I'm extremely judgmental. Tile work, mudding, how a door closes or doesn't close, caulking. Like a lot of bars have really disgusting jobs around the sink. Yeah, basically just everything. It's all crap. I mean the places I go to, because I guess I'm crap, so that's...
If you're walking into a room and the mudding is terrible, that'll stick right out. That's true, you just kind of want to fix it. It's like a nervous twitch. I like that ceiling. Right here, prime example. Right there.
Floors, I noticed right away. The mudding and taping the walls, I noticed right away. If there is a bulkhead and it's not like symmetrical, I'll notice right away, like in the first 5 minutes.
It's because you're trying to bridge the gap and feather it out so it's less noticeable, both visually and physically.